Cowboy Cooking, B. Mac and Gary. As you can see, we're still in your backyard. So this time, by special request, I asked somebody at work, what do you want me to make? He said, try something with tater tots. I said, I've never cooked with tater tots. So we're going to try this recipe. Tater tot Mexican casserole. So what I've got in my stove right now, hey guys, I need to tell you, I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I need to tell you too, you're in your backyard. You can do all of this inside and then come out and use the Dutch oven. You don't have to cook outside. But it's such a beautiful day out here.
Pretty day.
So I've got some ground beef mix. You can use ground venison, whatever you have. Oh, excuse the smoke if it's coming in front of the camera. But I have some ground beef, and to that I'm going to add some corn and some peppers. Now you can buy some corn that includes peppers. I couldn't find it, so I just bought corn and peppers. And this is just frozen.
There's some onions in there as well.
Yeah. And this is just frozen. So add that to it, and I'm going to add some black beans to it. You can add some garlic to it, whatever you want to, guys. Gary, I got some taco seasoning mix there. If you don't mind opening that up, we'll add that taco seasoning mix to it. Make sure I get all the black.
You want
beans.
all of it?
All of it. And you can use
things that confound me every time.
You can use black beans, ranch style beans, whatever you guys like. Set that over there. Add some green nut. Oh, go ahead. Add the taco sauce. Ooh, this is going to be good. And I've got some green onions. And again, you can add garlic or whatever you want in this thing. And I am going to sit here and I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes and get it all stirred in and cooked. And then once it's all cooked and incorporated, about 10 minutes, I'm going to cut it off and we're going to let it cool slightly. And then I'll show you what we do when we come back. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. I've cooked this for 10 minutes, all my mixture. I'll let you know, I did add some cheese to it. Typically, you can add the cheese we put in the bowl. Now I'm going to add it to the bowl. It's not too hot. I let it cool. So let all my mixture add to the bowl. Man, that looks good. Smells good, don't it, Gary?
I could eat it without the tater tots.
You go ahead and add the tater tots to it.
This whole bag?
Mm-hmm. Might as well. You like tater tots, right? I'll stir it in. Hey, look. These are round tater tots.
And then you have the enchilada sauces that go in now, or do you wait?
We're going to put that in the oven. As a matter of fact, while I'm stirring, what do you think? What size Dutch oven should we use here? We could use a 12, or do we have a deep 10 maybe?
We do have a deep 10 that might work.
Let's try the deep 10, but let's put some parchment paper on it.
Okay. Oh, got my baking soda in there.
Now we know where baking soda is. How's that? Perfect. Now add half of this enchilada sauce to the bottom.
Add about half.
I don't know about y'all, but I think this is going to be darn good. Oh, guys, just to let you know, you can also just use potatoes. Cut your own potatoes and cook them first, and/or buy some frozen potatoes. They do not have to be tater tots. So, just a suggestion: if you want, this would be a great potato recipe without tater tots. I think this is good enough, thoroughly mixed in.
Did you thaw these, or did you put them in frozen?
They're put there. I put them in frozen. A little bit more. Good measure. Just add it to it. Guys, in case you didn't know, we're just cooking here. We're no experts.
Apparently, we're feeding an army today.
Add some cheese on top of that, Gary, and the rest of the enchilada sauce.
All right. Cheese is on your side, and I'll add the enchilada sauce.
And what else? What else could we add to this?
Chopped onions or something would be good, but I don't think we have any ready.
Yeah, if we wanted some maybe some green onions. I'm going to And I think what I'll do is come back later and let it bake some more and come back later and add the rest of the cheese over the top of it. But for the meantime, we'll just do it like that. I'll put it down, put the lid on. All right, guys, for a 10-inch Dutch oven, what's the ratio we need, Gary?
I think total of 21, so 14 and 7
For 350 degrees?
for 350.
So 7 on bottom. Is that what you got there?
Yep, I already put the 7 on the bottom. Now 14 on top, and we'll be cooking.
Can you count that high? You need to take your boots off in order to count.
Now, how long does this cook?
This is going to take about 40 minutes, guys, and maybe a little over 40 minutes. About 40 minutes, I want to add some more cheese to it. But we're going to just keep taking a look at it and monitor it because, as you know, this isn't an oven. This is a Dutch oven, so it will vary on temperature. So we'll keep our eye on it, and we'll let you know. But we'll 10 minutes before it's ready, I'll add the rest of the cheese, and we'll let you know when we come back how it turns out. I can't wait because it smells good. I wish we had smell-o-vision on that camera. Maybe one day soon we'll have it. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll be back. I think our Tater Tot Mexican casserole is ready. We took a look at it, and like I said, about 10 minutes before I finished it, I added the rest of the cheese on top. So Gary, if you don't mind, let's get it out. We've already taken the coals and the ashes off the top. So let's see what it looks like.
Kind of exciting.
Oh, that's not too bad. Look at that. The black beans in there. Looks the black. That's not burned. That's black beans. Tater tots look good. I can't wait to dig in that. That looks delicious. So
if it tastes as good as it looks, it's going to be great.
Yeah. So we'll eat that when that duck comes off. We'll maybe eat that with the duck, or shoot, eat it on its own. But give this a shot. You saw how easy it was. So try it. And this will be the end of this episode. So as I like to say, you guys keep the party going.
And we'll see you around the campfire.